Welcome to the 7th episode of ECTV Tries, where we undergo a new adventure every week. I'm Armin.
And I'm Phillip, and we're your tryers for the week. We haven't really been told what we're going to be doing, but we were given a hint, and the only information we were told is that we have to be not afraid of a mystery or the dark.
Yeah.
That doesn't tell us much of anything.
Yeah.
Do you have any idea what this might be?
I don't know. So, well, fun fact, I am afraid of the dark.
Oh, good. This will be fun.
Might be a little interesting. Yeah. What do you think it is, King?
I have no idea. They're very ominous and like to make the hints so vague that you can't actually figure it out. If I'm gonna be honest, I wouldn't be shocked if it's just probably gonna be some weird random challenge they came up with just with the lights off.
Classic.
So we'll see what happens.
Yeah. I hope I don't get jump scared by you.
Oh, I hope that you do get jump scared. Well, we have a note here of what it could be, so do you want to do the honors?
Oh yeah, let me go see. Okay guys, your task. Oh, while blindfolded, eat and try and guess the food items in front of you.
Oh, I do not trust this at all. The last time they gave me like a food or drink, I almost vomited on this show.
That is horrible. What is wrong with you?
Classic Phillip behavior. Well.
All right. Well, we might as well at least get into the task. All right. So, the blindfolds didn't really work out, so what we agreed to do is have our eyes closed, and then we're just going to kind of hold our hand forward, and one of the people from back there is going to come and kind of just give us the candy, or food, or whatever this is.
I don't know what it is. LOL.
I feel like there's probably some candy in there, but realistically, we don't know anything. We're going to try to guess, I'm going to assume.
Don't touch me. Just
I'm
kidding.
not trying. I can't see anything.
Okay, well, I guess we can start. So, Armin, just put your hand forward so person can give us stuff.
Hello. I'm so terrified, respectfully.
I'm scared. I feel like I'm gonna vomit by the end of this. Knowing them with their track history of giving us food. That's fine.
Okay.
Oh, I know what this is already. Alright.
Whoa.
Whoa! They're so hard to figure out. It's a
No
potato
one.
chip.
Is it Pringle, guys?
I don't know. I can't tell what kind of chip, but it's like
I think
a regular potato chip. I don't know what brand.
I think it's a Pringle.
I think it's a Pringle.
Yeah.
That might be. I don't know. I don't eat a lot of chips, so I don't really know what kind that is. But it is a potato chip.
Yeah.
Not bad though. So far, it's not disgusting. Let's see how quickly this
I'm a
goes
Pringle
down.
fiend, so.
You're a what?
I'm a Pringle fiend.
I am just a potato fiend.
So true, King.
And give me French fries and I'll go nuts.
Ah!
All right.
What?
I don't know what this is. All right.
Oh, is this a Tic Tac?
I think it's a Tic Tac.
Cool.
Yeah. I don't know. I can't tell the flavor off the top of my head. That's like a berry
Oh.
one, though.
No, wait. I can.
I think
Anyway,
it's like a berry Tic Tac.
or like a really tiny jelly bean.
Yeah, one of those two. Is that a small jelly bean or it's like a berry flavored Tic Tac? It's berry flavored. I got that one.
Yeah. That's
Oh, well,
okay.
not bad. All right.
We've been spared so far.
So far, I feel like it's just gonna get worse though. Like they're
No,
gonna
me
give us like
too.
some bean boozled vomit flavored thing soon.
For real. Are you okay?
I was yawning, man. I'm
Oh,
tired.
okay. I'm ready, dog. Oh.
Oh,
Oh,
I think it's chocolate.
yeah.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's just chocolate. Pretty good. I don't
Oh,
think there's any special.
I can say that.
I'm gonna like bleep it out or something. I hit the table.
I know, I heard you.
So, yeah, it's just regular chocolate. Nothing special. Good though.
Slay.
I was terrified because beforehand they made it sound like this was gonna be like
No,
really
Francesco
bad.
jump scared
Yeah,
us.
like Francesco just was
Well, I
like, yeah,
can't-
guys, it's gonna be horrible.
I
I'm like,
can't
"Dude."
tell if he said that for funsies.
He might have, but that's the thing. I don't
know.
trust anything
I
right
don't
now.
trust. I don't know if I'm looking at you, but I don't trust you, Francesco.
I think he's over there. Francesco, I don't trust you.
I don't know. Wherever you are.
Imagine I'm like pointing behind, like at the like back of the screen.
I start pointing at you. I don't trust you.
I don't trust you, Armin.
I don't trust you,
I don't trust you.
Francesco. Okay, I'm ready.
I've been ready.
Yeah, we're just goofing.
Just goofy.
We're just two goofy guys.
Hey.
Okay.
Oh, this is popcorn.
Oh.
Yeah, popcorn.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Yeah. Francesco, you lied to us. It's not bad. What? How dare you? All right, I'm ready for the next
The
one.
the last thing is just gonna be terrible.
It's gonna be something they like dug out of the trash.
Everything's fine, and then it's just that.
It's like a half-eaten marketplace burger that they
So
dug out of the trash can or
true.
something. Like I wouldn't be shocked anymore.
Hey, give me food.
Me want food.
Yay! Thank
What
you.
is this? Is this Starburst? For Starburst.
Yeah. What flavor did you get?
What?
What flavor did you get?
I got orange. What did you get?
I can't.
How can you not tell?
Guys, what flavor is it? Be honest. Okay.
I have a feeling it was a red one for you.
Can I like turn around and check real quick? Wait, I can't tell. Cause the lights are blue.
If it's red, someone owes me $1.
I don't think it was red. I couldn't tell because the lights were blue back there, so I'm like, I can tell what color it is. Wait, really? No, no, it wasn't.
What color was it?
I don't know.
What is this?
Oh, I know what this is.
What?
Beef jerky.
Oh. I don't
Jerky.
I don't know this before.
Have you not had beef jerky before?
No, I have.
Oh, okay, I'm just making sure. It's very good.
Not in a hot stuff though.
That's fair.
I'm
It's
still
so-
eating my Starburst.
Oh, come on.
Goodness.
You're taking too long.
What if I eat them both at once?
Do it, do it.
Yo, this is fine.
Faster, Armin, faster. Jake?
Did you drop it?
He did. He put it on my thumb and it fell. Oh. And then I can tell by, or Skittles tell by feeling it.
I'm still eating the other stuff.
I'm just gonna wait for you. That was an M&M, or not an M&M, it was a Skittle for me.
No spoilers.
Too bad. Be faster. I will fight you.
Okay.
Alright, next one.
Okay.
No, we gotta wait for Armin to catch
No,
up.
I'm
He's so
not
far
done
behind.
yet. Just give it to me. Thanks, Jake. What?
Hi, Jake. You are not Germa.
No, my German! I'm gonna make it sad.
My God. Well, I know what this is. Let's hope it's a good flavor. And in fact, was not. God, why?
Or was this like one of the extra cheese ones?
I don't know specifically, but I don't like it. I only like the original ones. Ugh.
I'm getting a bad food combo in my mouth right now.
Did you eat all of them together?
Look, I still have the other stuff in my mouth.
Oh my God, dude. No, that was not a good cheese.
Please give me more. I feel like a starving Victorian child.
What the?
What?
This.
Oh,
Oh,
oh, it's a,
cheese ball.
yeah. I probably have so much powder on my hand.
I definitely do.
Alright,
I hope I got rid of them.
I'm so ready. I was born ready.
Were you?
No. Hello?
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 Sir?
Thanks, dude.
sir?
That was so scary.
Oh, is this the spoon from that we saw earlier?
Oh yeah, I knocked it over earlier.
You did? Is that what that was?
What?
Oh. I smelled it. Yeah, I know what this is. Whenever you're ready, Armin.
Oh, okay.
All right. Ready?
I ate it already.
Applesauce.
I feel like a baby. I almost took it and went right on my face.
I can't wait to see what you have been doing this
I
entire time.
want to see what you've been doing this
Just
whole
being an
time.
idiot, realistically.
That's just you normally.
That is true.
Be better, King.
Is that everything, or? Oh, that's lame.
Wow.
There was nothing bad. Francesco lied to us.
Francesco was.
I can see the light. Okay, so,
How did we feel about that? Oh.
dude! So we do have a list.
Oh.
Before we read this, how do you feel? Like,
Well, I made a little mess.
eat it. Eat it, Armin.
Oh, look into this camera.
We're getting told
Okay.
not to, but I want to see if he actually
Switch.
does this.
Switch up
Switch
there.
over there.
Switch
I
up
wanna see
there.
this.
I'm waiting.
Come on.
I'm waiting for you.
Hey, you got this, Armin.
I'll move some right in the
Here, I'll move
middle.
out of the way. Straight off the table that probably hasn't been washed in a good bit. That's true, or ever. God, dude. You feeling okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
All right, how are you feeling after all of these?
Well, none of it was Parmesan cheese.
Oh, that's disgusting. Okay, so in order, it was a Pringle, a tropical Tic Tac,
Okay.
Dove milk chocolate,
Chocolate.
white cheddar popcorn, an orange Starburst, beef jerky,
Oh, so they were both this. We got the same
Okay.
one.
Gotcha.
Okay.
a green Skittle specifically.
I turned around, but like the light is purple back here,
Yeah,
so I couldn't tell what color it was.
nah. And then the Parmesan cheese, it's disgusting, thank you.
It wasn't that bad.
I don't like Parmesan cheeses, I only like the originals.
Italian phobic.
Cheese ball, and then some applesauce.
Me and Francesco are gonna come after you for that.
Go for it. Well, that's everything. I mean, it was a lot better than expected. I don't have a good history with this show and food,
True.
but I think it was pretty successful and kind of fun. Did you enjoy
I
it?
think it was okay. I think I would have preferred it if you weren't here.
No, I would have preferred if it was someone different, but you know,
Yeah,
happens.
because you did like smack me in the face one time.
I didn't mean to be fair.
I know, but you would do that.
You would hit me in the face
You
if you had
would
the
do that
chance.
with your eyes open.
No, I would never.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you guys for watching the 7th episode of ECTV Tries. Keep an eye out for next week's episode. I'm Phillip Pazze.
I'm Armin Reid, and you're watching ECTV Tries. Thanks for joining us. And sparkle on.
Sparkle on.